talk about how to find winning and top selling product for any kind of drop shipping business. So we will talk about how you can find the benefits of drop shipping products. Let's talk about drop shipping lets you to focus on the customer facing aspects of the online retail experience by deferring the difficult aspect to your partner. So how to find a product niche that is winning and top selling for your drop shipping business. So consider the options. Products are the backbone of any online store and are vital to success of your drop shipping store. For that reason, consider your options carefully. So find ideas and inspiration. The best way to see what is the best to put on your market research hat and see what's selling right now. So what are others doing? What the concept do they have for their stores? Good drop shipping is the best to let's first find the unique sweaters is a variable drop shipping is, so you have to target the niche in order to find the winning products for your drop shipping. So target on the niche that is trending. So trending will be a top selling, like in the winter the cloths, sweater jackets in the winter season are the example of trending products. Face mask like COVID, like hand sanitizer, blue light blocking glasses, water bottles, and the others are like we can target on trending products and niche products. So if and you also see that what competitors are selling and you will get the idea from this as well.